Welcome to Driveway DIY, where we bring the shop to you. Today we're going to show you how to replace differential fluid. This is the rear differential on our demo vehicle. It has a drain plug right here and a fill plug right here. This particular plug uses an Allen wrench, so we're gonna try to remove that. This one is very, very tight, so we're gonna get out our breaker bars. There we go. We've got a small drain pan here. Differentials don't hold very much, so this small drain pan will work. We're gonna pull this out and make sure that our drain pan is set up in such a way that the flow will hit both ends and we don't have spillage. Differentials use gear oil. This stuff smells terrible. Try not to get it on your clothes. Those clothes will be forever ruined if you get this stuff on your clothes. So this is the drain plug. This is the sealing washer. Sometimes these are reusable. Most of the time you want to replace this washer. We have an assortment. We're going to use one from there. This is the drain plug itself. It is magnetic on the tip. You'll notice there's some sludge here on the end. That is actually metal shavings. So you want to wipe that off with a towel. And we're just going to thread that bolt right back where it goes. Now we're going to tighten the bolt, nice and snug. Now we're going to move on to the fill plug. Go ahead and remove this guy. You're going to want to check with your vehicle's owner's manual or service manual to determine the type of gear oil that you need. This particular vehicle uses 75/90 weight, so that's what we're going to use. Take this, stick that in there, and just squeeze it in slowly. Okay, so now we've just slightly overfilled it, which is about right. So this is what you're looking for. You want it to just start to run out, and then put your plug in. Don't forget to torque the filler plug. And that's all there is to changing differential fluid. Find all the parts you need to get the job done at ebaymotors.com.